The Indian Premier League is one of the wealthiest and most intensely followed sports leagues on the planet. Every year, from March to May, 10 franchise teams representing major cities battle it out in a highly condensed 2020 cricket tournament. Because these teams are backed by billionaires and massive corporate conglomerates, the logical strategy seems simple: buy the 11 absolute best players in the world and dominate the league. However, every team operates under a strict, non-negotiable salary cap that prevents any single franchise from hoarding all the elite talent. There is a second major constraint. The playing 11 can only feature a maximum of 4 foreign players, requiring the rest of the roster to be domestic talent. Because of these twin regulations, success isn't determined by how much money an owner has, but by how effectively they navigate the financial trade-offs of the mega auction. The process begins here. Before the season, players register for the auction and set their own base price. Franchises then engage in a live bidding war. When a team raises their paddle, they commit more of their cap to a player, and the highest bidder wins the contract. Teams must fill specific roles, carefully balancing their spend to acquire a functional mix of batsmen, bowlers, all-rounders, and wicket-keepers. The 4-player limit on foreign athletes creates an immediate market inefficiency. Since 7 spots must go to locals, elite Indian players become a mathematically scarce and highly valuable resource. This scarcity drives the salaries of top Indian stars like MS Dhoni into crores, millions of dollars per season. A team might secure a superstar, but in doing so, they burn through a massive percentage of their budget. Winning a bidding war for an elite player is a double-edged sword. It secures a franchise cornerstone while simultaneously creating a significant financial void across the rest of the roster. If a team spends half their budget on just 3 superstars, they cannot afford market rates for the remaining 15 to 22 players required to round out their squad. To solve this, they turn to uncapped players, a category of new talent who have not yet played for their national team. This is the league's central financial hack. A team balances a superstar's massive salary by acquiring 15 uncapped players at minimum base price. Since acquisition cost is so low, a high-performing uncapped player provides a massive boost in roster efficiency. This economic reality forces franchises to invest in massive, year-round scouting networks to find hidden domestic talent before their competitors do. Integrating young rookies is not a developmental courtesy. It is a ruthless economic necessity to survive under the salary cap. When the action moves to the pitch, teams earn 2 points for a win and 0 for a loss in a grueling round-robin format. After weeks of matches, only the top 4 teams on the points table advance. The playoff system is designed for high stakes. Top 2 teams face off in Qualifier 1 for a direct path to the final, while the bottom 2 face a sudden death eliminator. The loser gets a second chance. Surviving this gauntlet requires a deep bench. When superstars fatigue, cheap, uncapped players must keep the season alive. The ultimate reward for this balancing act is the IPL trophy. While the league was built as an entertainment product, these strict market economics forced franchises to hunt for and develop domestic talent with extreme urgency. In the world's richest cricket league, billionaires can only win the ultimate title by placing their faith in unknown teenagers, giving them the chance to play alongside their lifelong heroes.